Hello, today I'm going to be going through a quick walkthrough of an app that I built for Flatiron School's online web development uh, Ruby on Rails final project. So the app itself is called Pettr, and it basically just lets you keep track of all the dogs that you pet. You can also, of course, create a user profile and a pet profile if you decide you want to make one for your dog. So this is the homepage. You can see that each of these is actually a petter or a petting. It's just that a user pet a dog and they wanted to record it. There's a description and a link to the petting show page. There is the user's name, the dog's name, a rating, and then, of course, where the petting took place. And, of course, create a new one. So here you'll see that they're actually, we can't really do anything until we log in or sign up. So let's take care of that. I don't have a profile yet, so I'm going to go ahead and sign up, which you can either do by filling out this form or signing up with Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and actually sign up with Facebook. Just need to type in my password. Hopefully I typed that in correctly, and I did. So this automatically takes you to the user's profile. You'll notice also that our navigation bar changed. No longer have to worry about logging in or signing out. Logging in or signing up. So there's now the home page, which will take us back to that list of pettings. We can also look at a list of doggos, which are just dogs that happen to have profiles. And then, of course, your profile. And you can see that when a profile is more filled out, you can actually see your pet profiles listed, or you can see all of your pettings. So let's go back to home. Let's look at these. You can kind of get an idea of what the show page looks like. So again, the description, there is a little rating for how well it did. And the ratings are important because if a dog has a dog profile, as you can see right here, you can see the pets that Buck here was involved in. It will affect their actually user rating. So let's go back to home page, look at all the petters. Let's create a new one. So to start off, I'm not going to create or select a profile, but you can do that here. You see there's only 2 currently, but let's say I didn't pet any of them. I pet a dog named Fido, who was a beagle. And let's say, I don't know, I pet him at Full Steam Brewery, which is a brewery here in Durham, North Carolina. And it was a good pet. I'm going to give him a 5.4. And I'll just say, very good doggo. Pretty boy. There we go. And then we just create, and it takes me directly to the show page. You can see that I can go to my page. I also have edit and deleting permissions, which not everyone sees. And it has the dog, his breed, and where it took place. Now if I go back to my profile, my pet is now listed right here, as well as the option to edit it. So let's see. Now let's go and actually create another one, just so for the sake of showing that I can also pick, let's say I met Buck. I don't have to fill out the breed and name information, so I'm not going to. And let's see. So Buck is actually the dog from the Call of the Wild, so I guess I should be somewhere in the Yukon region. So I'm going to say it wasn't that bad, even though technically he is, well, a little wild. There we go. And Pettr. So there we go. Now it knows that since I chose Buck, it's associated now with his profile. And you probably don't remember, but his rating went up because I gave him such a nice rating, as opposed to the 3.0 and the 2.0 the 2 other users have actually given him. If I go to my profile, there we go. You also notice that he's on top. The pettings work out according to who was created most recently. So there you go. you can also go in, and if I wanted to edit this, let's say I changed my mind. It was a very, very nice little petting. I'll give him a 5. Now he has a 5 out of 5. And actually you can see now his rating is all the way up to 4.3 stars. So that's good. Good for Buck. Let's go ahead and create a Pettr profile. I'm going to use my old dog, Blue. Oh, I spelled border collie wrong. Who was a border collie. He, of course, is gone now, but I'm going to say he's 5. I'm in my hometown of Lore City, Ohio. Let's see, my dad always calls him the smartest dumb dog you'll ever meet. He was extremely smart. Go ahead and create his profile, and here he is. So there's Blue, who's in Lore City, Ohio. He's a border collie, 5 years old. His little description, and each dog starts out with a 5.0 star rating. So you can also, of course, edit these. Let's say, actually, I was wrong, and he's only 4.5. It only allows integers. In which case, I'm going to make him feel young. We'll make him just 4. There we go. And profile successfully updated. Yay. There we go. We can actually log out. You can, of course, log in. You can either log in with Facebook, or if you wanted to log in as someone else, which I think I'm going to do just for the sake of showing the functionality. So, I don't know if there are any Bob's Burgers fans, but I'm going to log in as Linda Belcher. Boom. And we're going to add a new Pettr, and I'm going to say that she ran into Blue. I just realized I chose all B names for dogs. That was not intentional. We don't have to add name or breed. I'm fairly certain. Let's do Bob's Burger. She met him at the restaurant. Blue was a bit nippy, so I'm going to just give him a 3. He really only liked us. So nervous. He did get nervous around strangers. Yeah. And boom, there he is. And so this, of course, you'll see now will pop up under Linda's pets. If we go here, we can click on Blue. And there's one person who's pet Blue, and his rating has gone down a little bit. He was a very particular dog. And you can also see lists of doggos here. Voila. So that's it. That is a quick overview of Pettr. Now you can see our new pettings are added here in the order in which they were created. And that's great. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed my little walkthrough. Go ahead and end it by signing out. Now we're back to our logged out user navbar. And there we go. Thank you for watching.